To enable or disable bug report shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, and then to enable bug report shortcut, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If enable, so a button in the power menu for talking a bug report. You can see the bug report in power menu, and if disable, bug report not show in power menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.